Froud from Casino High School. We've had Macquarie University visiting again. They've been coming here since 2005. They work with our Indigenous students on a science program. The students become leaders and demonstrate science experiments to all the Year 7 classes that come through. Today is a community open day and we've had elders from Maclean come through.
How long have you been doing this for?
I've been doing it for 4 years now.
What's your thought about this, like Aboriginal students and non-Aboriginal students coming together and learning about science?
I reckon it's really good because it really helps to make that connection where there used to be a gap, but now they're working on closing it, and yeah.
It's good because we get to mix it up and do something different.
So Mo, did you learn anything new that you'll take into the future from this experience?
Yeah, just to encourage other people to do the same.
Yeah.
So I think about studying at university.
We want those other students to get to know all that knowledge too. And that's what opens the gates then for those new students, white as well as Aboriginal.
So they're looking at actual role models that saying, oh, I wish we could do that too and get involved in the Science Week.
I like the program because it's teaching Aboriginal students to use their voices, which often I think is hard in class, like in a classroom environment. So I really like the program and the way it works, and that, it's all the kids in Year 7 get to do the program, and then the Indigenous kids actually learn how to teach. It's really good.
Before, I just wasn't really into science, but now I'm just going to have a more positive approach to it. And just have a lot more confidence in experiments and demonstrating what to do. 3, 2, 1. Okay, Wayne, what's your favourite experiment? I think the elephant's toothpaste over there. I like it how it just explodes out of the tube and everything.
Well, we have a tank with hot water and some dry ice, and Kim's been blowing some bubbles in and they've just been hovering there, because carbon dioxide is denser than air.
Okay, Wayne, tell me a little bit more about what interested you in science.
Well, just ever since I come here, it's just been really fun, and I've really gotten into it, not like other classes that I've had. It's just been real fun instructing the kids, and it's really fun and I like it.
We'd like to see that happen across the board, at a lot of other places too.
Yes, good.
You reckon we should have more days like this?
Yeah.
You reckon it's going to help the community if we have more days like this?
Yeah, I really do.
About twice a year, I think, would be good.
And things like this, these sessions and everything, encourage our children to go on.
Being together with other people and learning how to speak out loud and not to be ashamed.
And we're trying to find out exactly what the impact of this program has been, how it helps kids, how it helps change the way they feel about university.
Look at the insect here. See, I love the way they hold their little arms out.
So Philo, can you please explain to us what we have to do here?
Well, when you when you smell the chemicals, and then you got to write down on the piece of paper what do you think it is out of all these 7 different smells.
You can take some turmeric powder, which is used in just normal cooking, and you can draw over the pieces of paper and you can see some invisible messages.
We're going to be doing elephant toothpaste. We do hydrogen peroxide, 25 mils of that, and detergent, 20 mils of that, and some colours.
We're making some slime. You need some PVA glue, borax, some little cups and lids, and some paddle pop sticks.
We've got the traffic light experiment, what we're going to do today. Glucose, which is in sugar.
And it's all back to you guys.
We've seen a big change in our students at the school.
Would you recommend this for any other school?
I'd recommend it to any school with Indigenous students because it gives them opportunities that they wouldn't otherwise have.
It encourages them one another. Because not a lot of our children go through high school. Finish to the end, they give up and it's really good when you see young kids do go right through.